Manual pickling works right up until you try to scale it. At low volume, variability is manageable. At higher volume, it becomes the bottleneck, showing up as rework, surface defects, and unstable downstream results. In regulated manufacturing, that lack of repeatability isn't just frustrating, it's a quality risk. Let's break down where manual pickling fails and what automation actually controls. Pickling is not a single task. It's a controlled sequence that must run the same way, load after load: clean to remove oils and residues, rinse to reduce carryover, pickling to remove oxides and heat tint, rinse again, neutralize if required, then deliver a surface ready for coating or final finishing. The core failure mode with manual handling is timing variation. Changes in dwell time and transfer timing change chemical exposure. That means oxide removal and surface condition vary from load to load, even with the same chemistry. Once the surface varies, everything downstream becomes harder to control. If parts stay in the pickling bath for too long, you risk over-etching and rougher surfaces. If they come out too soon, oxide remains and can affect corrosion performance or adhesion. Handling and staging introduce variability as well. If the process is based on about this long, it's hard to validate, audit, or demonstrate controlled surface preparation. An engineered automated pickling and cleaning system from Best Technology addresses this by treating surface prep as process control. Recipe-based PLC sequencing locks in immersion time, lift speed, transfer delay, and stage order. The system runs the same motion profile every cycle, delivering repeatability across shifts. Automated transfer, typically through a rail-mounted gantry moving baskets or fixtures, makes handling consistent. Motion and drain time are predictable, reducing variation from manual contact. Integrated cleaning ahead of pickling removes oils and films, so acid contacts the metal uniformly. Ultrasonic cleaning can be added when deeper soil removal is required. That improves descaling consistency and reduces rework. Controlled rinsing and optional neutralization stabilize chemistry and reduce residual acids or salts that lead to staining or corrosion. Automation also enables parallel processing. Multiple loads move through different stages simultaneously, increasing throughput without increasing labor. It reduces operator exposure as well. Less direct interaction with nitric or HF blends means safer handling and clearer control over ventilation and containment. The modular architecture allows stages to be configured and expanded as demand grows. Automated pickling isn't a convenience upgrade. It's how you make surface preparation repeatable, scalable, and easier to validate. If you're evaluating a move away from manual handling, talk with Best Technology about your layout, stage requirements, chemistry compatibility, throughput targets, and compliance needs. Reach out for a requirements review, and we'll map the right automated pickling and cleaning system to your parts and production rate.